Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how we can actually edit YouTube videos. So first we have to take inshot and click new, and you have to select the video, and this is the thing. You can even change the canvas for long form videos and shorts, and you can even zoom in or zoom out. You can also, if you want to cut out an unwanted part of the video, just click split and click on the clip you want to delete and click on the delete button. And then if you want to increase your speed, you can just increase the speed by clicking the increase option. You can go from 1 to 100, or you can just set your wanted speed. I'm gonna put it on the 2.80. So yeah, so that turned out to be 7 seconds. So yeah, you can, if you want to delete minor details like portion of it falling like this, you just have to zoom in and just cut that part out. And if you want to drag the clip anywhere, you can just hold a clip and drag that clip to the front or to the back and to reposition the clips. And if you want to add some music, you can just click on the audio button and music, and you can get it from the inshot. But I mostly recommend you getting from any sites where songs are available. Like you can save it here imported. I saved a lot of songs like this. So yeah, I'm gonna use this one for now. And if you need to adjust the volume, you can just click edit and lower the volume as you like, and you can even select which part of the song you want for the video by selecting the clip in that part, and you can press the fade in button also. And click OK and click OK. And if you want to add animations to the video itself, you can just edit, and you need to add this keyframe upside down triangular, and move some places from it and add another one and turn and do whatever with that video in the screen, and it will animate it like this, like I am showing here. Zoom in on that dinosaur if you want to keep track of it like this, and if you want to select the clip, move it and move it, and the final product will be like this. See, it's dragging the dinosaur. That's very cool, right? And if you done a wrong thing, like mistake, you can always do it undo. And if you need to add the background yeah, like that, then you can just click on the background, and you can add this variety of patterns or colors, or you can just click the blurred image or like that. This is pretty fine. Yeah, so bye guys, please subscribe and like this video. Bye. If you are interested in this type of tutorial videos, please leave a like and let me know if I want to share more editing of these videos. So this is how you save it. There are multiple frame rates. I usually do it in 60 frame rate, and yeah, quality also. So that's it. Then you want to export it. The saving speed is quite fast if you want to see. Yeah. Bye.
transforming.